Hi, everyone. Once you log into your Chelsea account, if you'd like to create or work on your buddy list, here's how I suggest you go about that. So go to your profile, go to buddy list. Then notice I've put in some short list reminders or headers. So you can put in Sunday buds, Wednesday buds, Friday buds. You could put mixed. You could put in group 1, 2, or 3, whatever you'd like to name them, but this is your default list. You could also put, all of your buds come into this list, and you'll see what I mean by that in a moment. So if I put in AB, for example, then Lulu comes up and I would just add Lulu. Then I would continue to do that. So I can go in, put the last or the first two letters of the last name. So I can go BO, and I can go in, put in Bob and Mike. Then I can do HO, and then I can put in Mike Hoffman. I can put in DU for Andrew. Okay, so once I'm done with creating my buddy list, so now you can see that I've added 12 people, and you can add to this. I'm not sure if there's a limit. Then I would hit save. And now what I can do is this is this is to delete them. So if for some reason I needed to delete them to make more room, or if someone gets injured, God forbid, or something like that, then you can hit D for delete. But this right now is in the main list. If you notice here, and I can't really drag it down, but all of them are in my Y number 1 list because that's the default list. But notice there's all ends here. So if I click on these first 4 people, I can place them into my Sunday bud list. So if I click on 2, 2, 2, and 2, then notice they go into my list here in my Sunday list. Then if I go up to Wednesday's buds and I go to 3, 3, 3, and 3, now I should have excuse me, those 4 members in my Wednesday's group. And then finishing up my bud list on Friday, I can put in my 4 buds for Friday's group by clicking 4. Then I would hit save. Now I have my buddy list set up. So now if I wanted to go into a booking and add a booking, I can, let's say I go out to Wednesday morning, I put in my member number, and I click in that space so it populates my name. Now I can click up here to buddy list. And now if I want, I can click on Sunday's list and just get Sunday's group, or I can click on Wednesday and it narrows it down to my Wednesday's buds, or my Friday buds, or I can unclick that and notice that I have access to all my buds, all my buddies here, because that's my first list or default list. And then you would, if I say for the sake of speed, if I click on Wednesday, then I can put in these 4 people like that. Then I would look for a display time, select my time. I don't want to put anything in for real and block someone. I'm just using this as an example. If these people aren't in my buddy list, then if I added them because I did a search by clicking here and did a search for people, because if this was blank, you can click the search feature here, the search icon, and look for people. And then before you submit it, you would add those members that would go into your default list or your number 1 list, and you can add them or subtract and add to your buddies. And then you would hit submit. So that's basically how you use the function of the buddy list to the best that I know how. All right, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.